Alright, question 7. Paul can run 144 meters in 72 seconds. If he runs at this same rate, which of the following is closest to the distance he can run in 16 minutes? So, I see 144 and 72, so those are multiples of each other. 144 is a multiple of 72, so I can just divide by 2. So, he can run 2 meters in 1 second. And how long can he run in 16 minutes? So, how many seconds are in 16 minutes? 16 times 60, which gives you 960. So 960 times 2 meters will give you 0 to 19, which is basically 2,000 meters. Alright, 6. When 6 times the number n is subtracted from 8, the result is 20. What is the result when 3 times the number n is subtracted from 5? So when 6 times the number n is subtracted from 8, that means 8 minus 6 times the number n, and the result is 20, so that's 20. So let's solve for n. Minus 8 minus 8. Negative 6n is equal to 12. Divide both sides by negative 6. You'll end up with n is equal to negative 2, right? That's not all. What is the result when 3 times the number n is subtracted from 5? So 5 minus 3n is going to be your answer. So substitute that in. 5 minus 3 times negative 2, which will give you 5 plus 6, which will give you an answer of 11. So the answer is C. Question 8. What is the slope of the line in the xy plane that passes through the points 5, 8/3, and 1, negative 1/3? So, as we know, to find slope, we have to find delta y over delta x, which is the change in y coordinates and the change in x coordinates. So, we can do this. So, we look at the y coordinates. It is 8/3 minus 1/3 over 5 minus 1. Okay? Because this is the change in y and this is the change in x, 5 minus 1. And when we do that math, it'll equal to 9/3 over 4, which is 9/3 times 1/4, which is 9 over 12, which can be simplified to 3/4. And bam, 3/4, C. Alright, if xy is a solution to the system of equation above, what is x plus y? So most people would approach this question by solving for x and y independently. But, there are shortcuts sometimes. So you have to find x plus y. So you look at this, 3x plus 2y is equal to negative 21, and 5x plus 6y is equal to negative 35. What if we add the combined equations? So if we add them, right, 3x plus 5x, 8x, 2y plus 6y, 8y is equal to negative 56. Well, if we divide both sides by 8, we'll end up with x plus y is equal to negative 7. Bam! You have x plus y, negative 7. You'll get B.